Hi friends, welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Realme 6 phone. And before starting the video, friends, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends. And you can check the links in the description for the playlist of wallpapers as well. And not only wallpapers, other smartphones, friends, Realme 6, Redmi Note 9 Pro, and other phones. So even the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So there is a plenty of playlist in the description, friends. And if you want to use this kind of good looking wallpapers, so which will actually hide the notch and even punch hole displays, so you can check the playlist for the wallpaper, friends. So you can find plenty of useful wallpapers which will hide the notch and punch hole phones. So if your friends or anyone who is using this kind of notch phones, then definitely they can try this kind of applications. And one more thing is that if you have any queries or any doubts, you can ask me in the Instagram, friends. So before I used to message in the WhatsApp, but now there is a problem with the WhatsApp number over here, so I'm unable to use. So that's why I started to create the Instagram page where I'll be even posting the camera samples for Realme 6 or any other smartphone, friends, definitely. So like the page, and definitely, friends, follow me. I'll be posting all the new camera samples from different phones, so taking the front cam samples and lot of zooming tests and everything. And even you can ask me all the questions, and you can message me in Instagram, friends, and I'll be replying for you all. Let's get started with the antutu benchmark test here. And both phones comes with the same kind of Helio G90T processor, friends. And let me open the antutu benchmark version. And as you can see, friends, at the moment both the phones are having same kind of processor 8.3.4. And let me open my device, and you can see even both are having same kind of Mali G76 MC4. Let me show you the CPU as well. So if you take a look at the CPU scores, everything is same, friends, in both the phones. So there is nothing changed. And let's see which phone will get more score. So let me click test again. And let's see, friends, which phone can actually finish the test faster in the Realme 6 or Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this a little bit, I am very curious to test this kind of test between both the phones which are having same kind of processor, friends. And let's see which phone will be faster. And meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. It will definitely help me a lot. Even you can ask any queries you want in the Instagram page, don't forget. And these are my recently uploaded video, friends. And definitely take a look at the battery drain test which I did on the Poco X2 and Realme X2. Plenty of other smartphones which I did while watching YouTube, while playing PUBG game. So just take a look at the recently uploaded videos, friends, in my channel, so which will be very interesting videos. And if you are definitely, friends, planning to buy Realme 6 or Note 8 Pro or other smartphones, then I will suggest you to watch the playlist once. So try watching the playlist, friends. You will get A to Z everything, all the videos in this playlist, which as I included everything, friends, all the topics, so which will be very helpful for you in deciding which phone to buy and why to buy. So it's better to spend some more time in this kind of watching the videos, and rather than regretting later why you bought the phone. So I'll be doing all this in the real life scenarios, friends, because the only reason all these phones I bought with my own money, friends. So I don't have any love for any brand. So I am very as a normal user, I'll be using the phones. So I am not biased to any Realme phones or Redmi phones. And don't forget to ask the queries in the Instagram, friends, for more doubts. So definitely I'll try to reply in the Instagram. So as you can see, friends, it's getting close to 100%. And finally the Realme 6 has completed the test first than the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, friends, as you can see here clearly. And let's compare the score side by side. So you can see, friends, 2,88,000 in the Realme 6 device, and Redmi Note 8 Pro is 2,80,000. So which is a very good thing. And not that you need to take a look. You need to take a look at the temperature, friends, where it increased by 5.3 degrees Celsius in the Realme 6. So as I said, in all my antutu benchmark comparison, I'll be definitely taking a look at the temperature as well, how much it increased. So the Realme 6 is getting a little bit of heat, friends. Even in my test with the Realme X2 as well, in doing the antutu benchmark test, I felt the same thing, friends. So the temperature increased in the Realme 6 device. So even at the moment also, you can see side by side there is a 1 degree like that in difference in both the phones, friends. So overall, in terms of the score, it's very close to each other. Only there is a difference of 8,000, so that should not be much affecting. So that's it, friends. This is a quick antutu benchmark comparison between the both the phones. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. I Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.